I no go follow you go APC. Itoro tell Governor Eno. Country people, welcome to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Also like, comment, and share our videos. Una go remember, say recently, the governor of Akwa-Ibom, Governor Umo Eno, he tell im aides dem. All these aides dem include the commissioners, the special advisers, and all category of appointees when e dey for a cabinet. He say they go follow am as im wan enter the All Progressive Congress APC from the People's Democratic Party. He say anybody wey e know say e no go follow am, make the person resign. Well, the tori when e dey enter now, e say one of the aide when e be the special assistant to the governor on Digital Youth Mobilization, when e name na Comrade Edidem Monday Itoro, e don tell the governor say e no go follow am defect to the All Progressive Congress from the People's Democratic Party. Itoro, for im letter of resignation when he address to a commissioner for Eno cabinet, the commissioner na im dey work under, he identify himself as the Digital Youth Mobilizer. He say he not dey prepared to move with the governor to the APC. The letter na pidgin English na e take write the letter, and na so the letter be. Government of Akwa-Ibom State, Nigeria, letter of resignation. Honorable Commissioner, you don hear the tori wey dey fly up and down, say oga wan defect go APC? Abeg, I no follow. Na PDP I take swear loyalty during my appointment, and na PDP I go follow enter retirement. You sef don see how dem dey threa ten say if you no wan follow go, make you waka. Na marching order wey no get reading be that. I no get strength to dey dance etigi for APC rally when I never chop finish. Even my appointment letter never reach frame before dem dey push person out like borrowed DSTV remote. Abeg, make you help open my office, make I carry my office fan, my flask, and that my plastic chair. Na my first salary I use buy am. I no dey do again. I dey go village go open cyber cafe near borehole. Make dem carry their broom. I still dey hold my umbrella tight. Yours sincerely, Comrade Edidem Monday Itoro, Digital Youth Mobilizer, Special Assistant to the Governor on Digital Youth Mobilization. That na the letter wey Comrade Itoro send to the governor through the commissioner when e dey work under. Plenty people dey commend am for e stand for this defection matter, say e dey loyal to im call, say na so Nigerians, especially the youth, suppose to dey take stand, no be anywhere belle face na dem go dey follow. Na so too some others dey say, well, the guy e don bury himself politically o, because this move when he make so, say Nigerian politics e dey mark people like that o. Dem go say the guy no follow, and as such dem go single am out to either frustrate am or to make sure say they find something to make am dey unmarketable politically. Well, whatever anybody thinks about wetin Itoro don do, na im decision, and na im go live with the consequences. The country people, this inaction, how una see am? Na so they suppose to dey play politics? Abi na one youth mobilizer when im take im job and party loyalty too seriously? Wetin una talk for this matter?